In this video, I'll show you how to use the library in Artificial Studio. Here, you'll see all your creations organized by date. You can open any file to preview the result, check the prompt, see which tool and model were used, and continue working from there. You can also edit the image, turn it into a video, or download it easily. Open the Favorites section to quickly access creations you want to save or reuse later. The Assets section lets you find uploaded files you may want to use again. The Content filters let you browse more easily by type, like images, videos, audio, text, or 3D objects, and quickly find what you need. You can also right-click on any creation to open the Quick Actions menu. From this menu, you can quickly manage each creation. You can copy the image, download it, add it to favorites, use it as a reference or starting point for new creations, move it into a folder, or delete it when you no longer need it. You can also select multiple files at the same time to manage your library more easily. This makes it faster to move, organize, or download several creations in just one action. On the right side, you'll also find the Folders section. Folders help you keep your library organized by grouping related creations in one place. You can also select multiple files and drag them to the right side of the screen. From there, you can create a new folder to organize them, or add them to an existing folder if you already have one. This makes it much easier to keep related creations together and manage your library in a cleaner way.